Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's tap on the display and brightness. Now let's tap on the screen timeout option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. Currently I've got a 10 minutes option applied, so in order to change it all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. So I will pick 2 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 2 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.